for a healthier future.
In this video, we take an in-depth look at 12 strange signs of liver damage. It's very important that you recognize these symptoms because you can stop this disease before it progresses any further. Our liver is one of the strongest organs in our body, able to fully regenerate itself with the right support, even when damaged. Liver disease affects up to 25% of people worldwide. Many people think that liver damage is caused by drinking too much alcohol, but the truth is that it can also be caused by too much processed food, sugary drinks, too much omega-6 fats, and to frequent use of painkillers such as acetaminophen and ibuprofen. Keeping your liver healthy is critical for the health of your whole body, but many liver problems give their symptoms silently, and it can be very difficult to recognize them early. Here are 12 surprising signs that your liver is in trouble. 1. Stool discoloration. Changes in the color of the stool indicate a problem in the functioning of the liver. The first symptom is pale stools. The liver provides conjugated bile acids to help digest the fat in food. These acids produce bile, which makes the stool look dark brown. However, if there are conditions such as fatty liver disease or hepatitis, it disrupts the flow of bile, causing the stool to change color. This usually manifests itself in light or grayish tones, and the stool may flow in water due to undigested fat. A doctor's checkup is necessary when persistent changes in stool color are observed. It may be especially helpful to consume fibrous foods that support the bile ducts. Second symptom, night vision problems. If you have poor night vision or trouble focusing in low light, this could be a sign that your liver is making it harder for your liver to absorb retinol, vitamin A. Bile from your liver helps you absorb vitamin A and helps your eyes adapt to different light levels. If you have liver disease, this can lead to gallbladder deficiency. If vitamin A is not absorbed in sufficient quantities, it triggers what we call night blindness. Green leafy vegetables that support the liver can be consumed to solve this problem. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants can be especially beneficial. Third symptom, right foot swelling. Unexpected swelling in any part of the body may indicate a circulatory or lymphatic system problem. Such swelling, especially in the right foot, may indicate circulatory problems of liver origin. In this case, when you apply pressure with a finger, indentations may remain and fluid may accumulate in certain areas of the body. This can be supported by regular exercise and drinking enough water to maintain body fluid balance. Fourth symptom, white spots on the eyelids. Small white or yellowish bumps around the eyelids indicate that the liver has difficulty metabolizing cholesterol. Such fat deposits are usually caused by the liver's inability to break down cholesterol fast enough and are an early sign of liver disease. Antioxidant-rich drinks, especially green tea, can be consumed to control cholesterol and support the liver. Fifth symptom, feeling of pressure on the right side. A feeling of pressure on the right side of your rib cage after meals may indicate a thickening or sludging of the bile. Bile is produced by the liver to facilitate digestion and remove waste from the body. A blockage in the bile ducts can cause discomfort and pressure in the area under the right rib. Foods that support the liver for bile flow, such as artichokes or radishes, can help with this. Sixth symptom, bruising and red spots. Frequent bruises on the skin can indicate problems with blood clotting, which means that the liver is not producing enough protein. Low protein production can lead to easy bruising of the skin and reddish rashes, especially in areas such as the lower legs. Protein and vitamin-rich foods that strengthen the liver, such as eggs, can be added to your diet to support clotting. Seventh symptom, cracked heels. Dry and cracked heels are an indication that the liver is not fulfilling its function of maintaining moisture balance. The liver is responsible for distributing vitamin B3, which is essential for skin health. A deficiency of this vitamin can occur when liver function is impaired. For healthier heels, foods rich in B3 and good fats should be consumed. Walnuts in particular can be a liver-friendly snack. Eighth symptom, itchy palms and solace. Intense itching in the palms of the hands or solace of the feet can be caused by bile acids settling under the skin. If the liver cannot filter these acids sufficiently, histamine builds up in the bloodstream, triggering the itching sensation. To ensure regular excretion of bile acids from the liver, plenty of water should be consumed and fiber-rich foods should be preferred. Ninth symptom, white nails. Whitening of the nails may indicate reduced protein production and blood circulation functions of the liver. Insufficient oxygen supply to the subcutaneous tissues can result in white or deformed nails. Red meat is one of the liver-friendly foods that can help relieve such problems. 10th symptom, dark-colored urine. Darkening of the urine may indicate that the liver has difficulty excreting bilirubin. Dark yellow, orange, or brown urine may be a sign that the liver is not filtering waste from the bloodstream properly. Drinking plenty of fluids can make it easier for the liver to remove waste materials. Coffee consumption is also known to support liver function. 11th symptom, yellowish skin tone jaundice. A distinct yellow tint to the skin can be caused by problems with the liver excreting bilirubin. This symptom is known as jaundice and is one of the most well-known signs of liver dysfunction. Those who have this problem should consult a specialist doctor. In order to cleanse the liver, drinks such as water with lemon should be preferred to accelerate the flow of bile to the liver. And the last symptom is spider veins. Spider veins appearing on the skin can be caused by elevated estrogen levels. When the liver cannot filter excess estrogen fast enough, this can cause the superficial veins to dilate and spider-like veins to form. It is important to avoid processed foods to maintain hormone balance. You can also consume herbal teas that strengthen liver function. If you have one or more of these symptoms or suspect a problem with your liver, you should definitely consult a specialist. Liver health is vital for overall body function, and it is valuable to take steps to support it. Remember, the most valuable treasure you have is your health. If you like our video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified of our new videos.